Hey there, awesome kids! How is it going? Today I am home about to dive into my homework. And guess what is it? Yeah, you've got it! More fun with the past simple. Oh, you don't remember? Let me refresh your memory. The past simple is the cool time we use to talk about stuff that happened in the past, habits, facts, or things that are already completed. Yes. And here's the deal. The past simple can be a little bit tricky because we have two different superheroes, the regular superhero and the irregular superhero. The regular goes for the verbs like walk, play, talk, and travel. And for those verbs, we just need the suffix ed at the end of the verb. The irregular superhero, it's quite different. It goes for the verbs that are special verbs, and we just have like do, see, make, eat, right? And here we need to remember the new verbs, okay? Like those ones. Great! Quite crazy, but don't worry. We are going to conquer it together. Come on, let's rock the past simple together. Okay, we start playing. And look at these 4 sentences of my friend's notebook. Cute! Yesterday he walked home, okay? Last Saturday he ate some cookies before his music class. Last winter he did a basketball course. And last Monday he had PE class at 6 p.m. Okay, alright. So, yes, that's a lot of action in the past, but how do we know if all these are true or false? Maybe little tales? Ta-da! It's time to step into the past simple machine and see if all those sentences happened for real. Come on, let's go. Great! Okay, here we are. Yes! Get ready, little travelers. Yesterday, he walked home. So today is Wednesday, and let me just rewind the calendar. Okay, so yesterday, Tuesday, and whoa! Okay, yes, so here we are, not Wednesday, but Tuesday at 5:15 in the afternoon. Wait a minute. No, it's not true. The boy didn't walk home. He took the bus. Got you. Okay. So we need to change that sentence. Yesterday, he didn't walk home. If it's negative, we use the auxiliary, did not, okay? And the suffix ed goes out. Goodbye. Okay, let's keep exploring. All right, the second sentence said, last Saturday, he ate some cookies before his music class. Okay, so let's just adjust the calendar. Okay, now it's Tuesday, so not Monday, not Sunday, Saturday. We have to go to Saturday. Yes. Okay, all right. It's Saturday at 11 a.m. at the music school. And what? He is munching on cookies. Yes. Okay. So here he told us the truth. Very good, boy. Now let's go for the third sentence. Last Monday, he had PE class at 6 p.m. So let's, trick the calendar. So Saturday, no, we have to move backwards. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, no. Tuesday, Monday, no. Monday, yes, Monday. Let's go for Monday. And we put the time, 6 p.m. as well in the afternoon, 6 o'clock. So let's go. Whoa. Okay, here we are. Let's see. What is he doing? Oh no, he's not doing PE class. He's doing arts and crafts. So it should be last Monday, he didn't have PE class at 6 o'clock in the afternoon. He had arts and crafts. Can you see? Had. That is the past form of have. But if we talk about the negative form, we must put the auxiliary did not, okay? Yes. So now let's go for the last sentence. Last winter, he did a basketball course. Oh, wait! On Sundays, okay? So here we have another hint. On Sundays. All right? So that's way back, eh? Okay, let's change the year. Let's change the month, winter. Okay, so we choose January. And let's go for a Sunday. Whoa! All right, here we are. And what was he doing? Yes, definitely. He was practicing basketball on Sundays last winter. So this last sentence is okay. He's not lying this time. Good job, guys.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello children, ready to keep learning about the past simple. Remember, what is the past simple? The form we use to talk about past completed actions, habits, facts, or frequent situations, but in the past, okay? Look, the example, yesterday I played with my friends. I'm going to trace over this sentence. Yesterday I played with my friends. All right, yesterday I played with my friends. And look, we need to trace over. Here we have it, all right? And trace over is what I just did. So let's practice the writing of the regular verbs. Remember, that are the verbs that we just need the suffix ed, or the irregular verbs, the verbs that we need to really transform into new verbs. So let's go. Walk, walked, okay? Talk, talked. Trouble, troubled. Practice, practiced. Brush, brushed. Comb, combed. Well done. And now let's go for the irregular ones. Wake, do, have, get, take, and eat. Okay? Yes, these are the verbs in present, and in the past we have woke up, did, had, got, took, and ate. Well done. Now let's go for the activity number 2. And in here we need to put in order all these words. So let's do start. Okay, last we have the number 1. Last winter. Okay, last winter. Yes. Last winter he, I guess a boy. Last winter he did. Last winter he did a basketball course. Basket and basketball, the number 6 and 7 go together. Is one word, okay? Course. Well done. So did, okay? Last winter, in the past, did, yes? And did, what is did? What is did? Yes? Well done. Now let's go for the last sentence. Let's go for the first word again, last. Last Monday. Last Monday, he, again another boy, had music class at 6 p.m. At 6 p.m. Well done. And again here we have the verb had, okay? And is this word. Yes? Well done. Super well done. Good job, guys. Great. And keep working with the other two sentences that we just had afterwards. So let's go and do this third sentence. Yesterday, number 1. Yesterday, he walked home. Yesterday he walked home, okay? And walked is in the past, yes? And finally, the last one and the longest sentence. Last weekend, he talked, number 4. 5, they are in order here. Talked to his friend by phone. All right. So look, this is yesterday. He walked home. Not a boy, but a girl. Yesterday she walked home, and look at the boy. The boy is talking to a friend by telephone. All right. And now what are we doing? Now we are painting these beautiful pictures. Let's go for it. Okay, so up to you. I'm going to start, but then you can carry on. And I'm going to use these crayons. I'll paint this jacket like this. Look, the girl just has got one arm, and sometimes these things happen. Okay, beautiful girl. I'm going to paint the jacket in blue, and then her face, not with this dark orange, but with this lighter one. Well done. Her legs, and her hand, and her back. Yes. And you can paint you can paint the grass. We can paint the grass. Right, we can paint the grass like this. But it's up to you, my loves. If you want to paint it with a darker green, you can do it, okay? It's really, really up to you. I'm painting this, and now with this green. Lovely. Well done. Great. Yes, well done. And keep painting, okay? It's up to you. Goodbye.